So now, good morning everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be tracking SLTV on this dish. This is a 60 cm dish here, right here, and with me here is my satellite meter. So today we are going to be tracking SLTV. This is a 60 cm dish. SLTV is located at 51.5 degrees east, and their satellite is Belintasat, and also their TP, the transponder and frequency is 10975 horizontal, and the symbol rate is 25,000. So that's 25000. So the process of tracking this dish, we input the frequency in our meter, then using the upward and downward movement of the dish, and then shifting sideways, then consider upward and downward movements, we are going to be able to track the SLTV. And also with me here is this is LMB. We set our LMB on horizontal. So during the upward and downward movement of the dish, we are trying to track the SLTV. This is the, I don't know if you can see the camera, the screen. This is the tracking details. This is the frequency 10975, the symbol reads 25000, and the polarity is H, horizontal. And so during the upward and downward movements, you can see that I have clocked the signal. This is the signal strength and the quality. So after you have clocked, you have located the signal and the location where you can get it. Then we go ahead and tighten up the dish, parts of the dish, these nuts and this one at the back and this one over here. We go on and tighten it with our spanner. So stay with me while I tighten it up. So now we have finished tracking, and now you can see from the track meter you see that the signal is stable at a quality of 60%. And also this is the LNB. The LNB is on the horizontal and the dish is stable from the point of installation. While this here is a power supply, then this is the cable from the dish outside that enters into the decoder. Now the decoder has come up, it has gone straight to channel 1.